FT8 is a relatively new digital mode introduced to amateur radio in July 2017. It has become very popular, globally overtaking voice as the most used mode on HF and 6 meters, according to logged QSOs at clublog.org. The two most popular programs used for working FT8 and other digital modes is WSJT-X, along with the assistant program GridTracker. White glary screens can be a little hard on the eyes, but did you know that both WSJT-X and GridTracker have night modes? Here's how to set them up on a Windows PC. Locate the WSJT-X shortcut on your desktop and duplicate it so you have two icons like this. Then, right-click your copy and rename it Dark. Now select the Shortcut tab. Copy and paste a link to the WSJT-X style sheet after the program path. This exact link is in the WSJT-X manual. Now all you have to do is close the Properties dialog box and run the app. Voila! Now you have dark mode. To get the night map running in GridTracker, launch the program, open up Settings, and click the Maps tab. At the bottom of the map options, you'll see Auto Night Map. Enable the option and choose a map that works for you. I'm using the dark grey world map. While you're here, there are a few sliders you can adjust for paths and spot colours. The auto night maps switch in around dusk each evening. And that's all there is to it. So next time you're working FT8 in the late evening or in the early hours of the morning, you can spare yourself from the blinding bright white screens you're probably accustomed to.